every generation thinks the toys they grew up playing with were the best. But to be honest, seeing the kind of stuff they're producing these days, we might just agree kids in 2021 have it better. Whether they're AI-powered robots or remote-controlled drones, there's no denying these wacky toys are cool enough to excite full-grown adults too. Before we go on, make sure you've liked the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our amazing content. Here are the 12 craziest toys you can buy online. Let's have a look. Number 12. High Wonder Spider Pie. This AI-powered intelligent visual hexapod robot is the kind of toy that can get anyone excited, regardless of age. Equipped with two DOF HD cameras, Spider Pie can perform intelligent games, including facial recognition and intelligent transport. Moreover, it comes with a large capacity battery that allows long working duration, a robotic battery voltage display, and an installed HD camera that captures real-time images. Thanks to the kinematic algorithms, Spider Pie can move quite efficiently. Quick dynamic turning and other seemingly challenging actions are no big deal for this smart spider. It can also recognize black, white, and red lines through OpenCV, calculate positions, and adjust its route accordingly. The construction of the robot is pretty excellent too, sturdy without being unnecessarily heavy. Number 11. Terrasect Lizard. From vehicle to ball and back to vehicle again, Terrasect is one of the coolest toys you can get for a teenage boy. This gadget can be played with both indoors and outdoors. It features 2.4 GHz controls, drives super fastly in vehicle mode, and performs incredible rolling attacks by flipping itself back over. Moreover, Terrasect has light-up eyes and runs on 4 AA and 3 AAA batteries for the controller. With a toy like this, you get to experience truly innovative radio control action. Its green, insect-like design and glowing red eyes are sure to strike terror in any of its prey. Number 10. HHD H6 Motorcycle and Drone. Remote-controlled quadcopters are a must-have for anyone who wants to bring convenience to their life. In addition to applications of RC quadcopters and professional fields, they also play pretty important roles in daily life. This HHD H6 Wi-Fi motorcycle drone is one of the best on the market. It features one-key takeoff and one-key landing, which makes controlling the aircraft flight and landing quite easy. The 0.3 megapixel Wi-Fi camera provides access to real-time FPV. You can even shoot and film in an ideal environment and suitable lighting. Its headless mode allows you to ignore the front of the drone and pilot it freely. And if you want to abruptly stop the flight, simply use the emergency stop feature. Number 9. Power Treads. Conquer any trail at unlimited scale using the incredible Power Treads. These are all-surface vehicles that flip, rip, and roam all over your home. Anyone can build Power Treads in a snap and then use the Power Treads modular track set to create customized courses. The track pieces are also interchangeable. You can either place them closer together for better control or even expand them out until you're up for a challenge. And if that's not enough, you can level up by adding household items for your Power Treads to power over, under, and through. The bigger the scale, the more fun the trail will be. Using found objects, you can add obstacles, create cool stunts, and ramp up the challenge. And for challenging races in super dark spaces, you can add glow-in-the-dark stickers. Number 8. Laser X. Laser X is an awesome 2-player laser gaming set that allows you to have a fun time with your friends. It includes 2 Laser X micro blasters with 2 arm receivers. And that's everything you need for 2 Laser X players. The micro blasters feature state-of-the-art lighting and sound effects, which means it's time to bring the excitement of a laser tag arena right to your own backyard. All you have to do is strap a receiver onto your upper arm and you're ready to go blasting opponents up to 100 feet away. To reload, you just have to press and hold the trigger. Thanks to the full color lighting effects, you get to keep track of your shots and hits. Moreover, the interactive voice coach also provides tips and feedback during the game, making the experience all the more memorable. Number 7. WoW Cube. Here's a new dimension of gaming that you've never experienced before. WoW Cube is a super cool, first-in-class, innovative console and a gaming platform that provides an immersive user experience. It's a toy for everyone. Using WoW Cube, you can enjoy games of all well-known genres. Whether it's casual games, arcades, mazes, puzzles, entertainment, or other kinds of skill-based games, WoW Cube has it all. The best part about this gadget is that its benefits far exceed mere entertainment. It's like a stress relief digital toy that improves cognitive functions, motor skills, and 3-dimensional thinking. Play with this on a daily basis and you'll remain sharp as ever. Number 6. Genker Fighting Robot. This incredible robot offers an actual face-to-face fighting and immersive experience without compromising on the safety of those playing. It features a small-sized, high-performance motion skeleton along with a numerical electronic judgment system distributed all over its body. With a toy like this, it won't be a surprise if you forgot all about traditional robots. You'd also have plenty of fun while assembling and customizing Genker, which is a huge part of the process. Moreover, Genker offers other exciting features like different game weapons, scoring systems, flexibility, and entertaining tricks. The housing of the robot is removable, and players can use 3D printing and other materials too. Number 5. Tilt 5. Play games like you've never done before with the Tilt 5. The glasses create incredible holograms in front of you on any tabletop in your home, so you and your friends can have an amazing time. It's super easy to set up and start playing on Tilt 5. All you gotta do is unfold the game board onto the table, connect the glasses to a PC or mobile device, and you're ready to start rolling. The table supports both local and remote play, which means none of your friends have to miss out on any game night ever again. This makes gaming more exciting and wholesome for all. The idea of a digital tabletop is pretty unique. It lets you blend the things you love about video gaming with the things you enjoy about tabletop games. Best of both worlds. Number 4. Pong Knockout. Remember Pong? The arcade classic? Well, get ready to play the game again, but this time on a physical table. In Pong Knockout, players take control of their own 3D Pong paddle that seems to float along the surface like magic. You can do that by spinning the paddle controller to where it's needed. Underneath the playfield and outside of the player's view, there's a gantry system with magnets that makes all the topside action happen. But Pong Knockout isn't like other Pong table units. It also features a marquee monitor, which displays instructions and current gameplay status. It's a unique recreation of a classic arcade gaming experience, and now 4 people can enjoy it at the same time. Number 3. Sega Galaxy. This is what you get when you combine physical and virtual play to get the ultimate fusion of excitement and creativity. The Galaxy Sega cars are not your typical remote-controlled cars. Using these, you can battle and compete with virtual skills in the real world. The cars come with an expandable battlefield that attaches with a magnetic connector. It's very easy to put together or take apart, and anyone can do it without special expertise. You can control your Segas with your mobile device, with a wireless instruction transmittance speed of 100 times per second. Moreover, the replaceable wheel hubs and special stickers allow you to recreate your own exclusive Sega according to your style. Number 2. Strawbees. Strawbees is here to inspire the next generation of inventors and engineers. Regardless of how old your child is, the flexible building kits by Strawbees helps develop complex problem solving, critical thinking, and creative skills, both online and offline. For a fun time at home or in the classroom, Strawbees is every kid's go-to choice. These building kits include versatile connectors and building straws for bringing ideas to life by rapid prototyping. If you want your young ones to have more hands-on, screen-free, and playful learning activities, Strawbees is your best bet. Number 1. Really Rad Robots. Turbobot. Here is the most rad remote-controlled robot in town. Not only does it feature voice command, but it's practically built for amazing speed and tricks. Turbobot features a full-function remote control, including a turbo boost switch. You can now use the voice command function to make Turbo spin, dance, explore, or even crack a joke for you. Moreover, you can add to the excitement by recording a message and playing it back to your friends to prank them. The record function can also be used to spy on your enemies. Just record their conversations and you'll know what they're up to. Turbo is smart enough to avoid obstacles on its own. With a database full of incredible sound effects, this bot is full of personality and will ensure you have a fun time. Alright, comment below which one of these toys you think are worth having. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.